Back again with the Gino's Gem, another trick tip you can put in your trading bag of tricks and help you make life easier as a trader. So this one here, we put out a newsletter every week, a phenomenal newsletter. And I do a lot with that newsletter. During earnings week, you'll see this calendar here. This has got it pretty popular. And what it is, it's just a calendar from the upcoming week. The big names, the logos that you recognize. So, earnings before the market, after the market, and people say, hey, where do you get that? Where'd you get that? And it says right here, Earnings Whisper. They get the credit for that. So if you want to get that, all you do is go to Earning Whisper right here. It's a great site, been around for years. They focus in on earnings, gaps, that kind of thing, but I don't even use much of that. I haven't found a huge amount of use for it. But you go to Twitter, and once you do it, you just go to the newsletter and get it from us every week. It'll pull up on their Twitter feed, it'll pull up their link. So if you hit the Twitter right here, and it comes out on Friday or Saturday, and on the weekend, basically, when you scroll down, you'll see it, or if you're on the weekend, you'll see it. And you can do a screenshot or download it wherever you have it. And there it is right there. So that's how you get that calendar. It's a Twitter feed, Earning Whisper. And you can even get stuff like that if you follow our social media at Tackle Trading. Another way is if you're on Thinkorswim, just go to Market Watch Calendar. Make sure it's blank up here in the left-hand corner. Make sure you click Earnings. What I like about this is it tells you how many, like today's 206, tomorrow's 477, and they're all listed down here. You can check before market, after market. And finally, another favorite one of mine is FinViz, another popular site. I like this one. They all have a little bit of different flavor, different way of presenting it. You hit their heat map, drop it down to the very bottom, earnings date. Anything that's still pink is going to see the Barbie movie. No, I'm joking. Anything that's still pink is upcoming earnings. Anything that's in a light teal or gray or that's past, you can see the legend down here. So like we have Disney coming up. What I like about this one is it shows you everybody in the industry, the little thumbnail charts below it. Like here's NVIDIA. It shows you everybody in the technology semiconductors and their date, so you can kind of like zoom in and you can see like we've passed up all the earnings are done in financials. You can see in a quick look that, okay, we're past all the big ones in financials. We're past all the big ones in tech. We have quite a few in defensive here. So that's 3 different ways to look up earnings dates and kind of get a feel for the big names and what dates they are at 3 different sites. Again, we bring it to you right in our newsletter and every day at Tackle Trading. There you go, another Gino gem to add to your trades.